Here's a 2020 Toyota Corolla. When a car leaves such a striking impression, it's perfectly normal to stare. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. Kelley Blue Book reports Toyota's Corolla sedan continues to offer buyers a proven commodity that delivers value, efficiency, and peace of mind. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.